If you'd like to see how I created a glamorous transformation to these blinged out Crocs, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm going to be embellishing these white Crocs. These are size adult women's 11 and they are 9 in men's. I'm going to get right to the point. I'm going to be using E6000 glue, a wax pickup tool. I do have a link if you're interested in purchasing one of these. And I've already prepped the shoes. I've wiped them off with 70% alcohol. You can use any alcohol you have, but you definitely want to wipe them off. But before doing that, you want to take some sandpaper and sand them down some, just to make sure everything adheres properly to the shoes. I have a host of charms here. A lot of the charms I make myself. I have a video showing you how I make my charms, but I also have luxury charms. I have charms for sale in the links below as well. And if you want to know where I purchase my charms from, I have my vendor, my one vendor for sale if you'd like to purchase that. Luxury charms I may use, I'm going to use at least one in each shoe. But these are going to be a freestyle. She told me I can do whatever I like to do, but her favorite color is red, so I'm going to go ahead on the red. I have made these red charms. I also have a video showing you how to make these exact charms. This is my first time making them in red, but you can make these in any color that your heart desires. Her other request, she drives a Lexus, and she wanted to know if I could customize some Lexus charms for her. So I took these little domes here, and I used my silhouette cameo, and I cut out a really small. I did have to mirror it. I just went ahead and used the I just went ahead and used some signed vinyl on the back, rub that on, then flip it over, and that's how it looks. You could even make these into charms by adding the little plungers on the back. I'm going to just glue it to the shoe. So you have those options to do that. I also have these really cool spiky charms. I made these also. And I have a video, or I will have a video showing how to make this. Okay, I'm adding my charms to the Crocs first. This is how I lay my foundation before I glue anything onto the shoe. So that's what I'm doing right here. Now I'm just adding a decent amount of E6000 glue because I want to make sure that these pearls and rhinestones and everything I put on here stays put. So I'm just going to start across the front area of the shoe. I was looking for the perfect place to put the Lexus logo, somewhere right front and center. So I added a hefty amount of glue right here so I can go ahead and put that dome charm I made on with the Lexus logo. Now I'm just going to continue all around that area and continue to fill in with rhinestones and pearls. I'm now working on the other side of my shoe, so I can go ahead and continue to add on multiple sizes. The rhinestones for the most part are 5mm. I do have a little bit of 4mm I'm using as well, and the pearls are 8 and 10mm. And I'm just adding them randomly to fill up all the spaces. I'm going to be adding this very pretty bling ribbon. It's like a rubbery material. I'm going to cut it in half. These are the charms that I'm going to be using on the second shoe that I'm going to be starting. Here's a letter A that I made in a previous video with resin. And I'm going to find the best place for this on the shoe. Sometimes I have to move the charms around if they don't lay properly the way I feel like they should lay. And again, this is me laying my foundation. Another cute little charm I made out of a dice. I think it is just so adorable. I am using the same method to go ahead and add rhinestones to the front, rhinestones and pearls to the very front of the shoe, and kind of just go around and trace the whole edge eventually and then fill in the middle area. I just really adore this Lexus charm. It just goes to show how much you can really customize something for your customers if you are into making or starting a business doing people's Crocs. Just keep something like that in mind. These are just those 25mm domes that some people use to make the charms that say Chanel or Gucci with the paper behind it. I don't care for that look, so I just thought of a different other creative way to use these domes. So your customer may drive a BMW or a Mercedes, and you can make the logos for those type of vehicles as well. Okay, I'm almost finished, and now I'm just going to add a couple embellishments to the strap of the croc. Just create just like a little random pattern just to go down both sides, and then I'm almost finished. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these shoes, and these are probably in my top 5. I really, like I said, adore those Lexus charms I made, and to add a little bit of glam to them, I did add some 4mm red rhinestones to them. I don't know if you could see that or not. I just felt like they needed something so they weren't so plain. I like how I really went heavy on the red, of course, because it is her favorite color. But she did give me the green light to do whatever I wanted to do. She has since gotten her shoes, and she's absolutely crazy about them. I'll be doing the video of her daughter's shoes, hopefully soon. And I just thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you did find some helpful tips in this video. If you're wondering how long it took me to complete these shoes, I want to say it took me about 3 hours to complete both of these shoes. So depending upon what I do, and I like to create my own charms. I like to do the charms before I'm starting the shoes so I can have a nice idea of how I'm going to decorate them. But these came out very pretty. She was extremely pleased. Happy customers are always like the best, so I really try to go hard and over deliver what my customers are expecting. My style is very over the top, a lot of glam, lots of bling. I know this may be a bit extra for some people, and that's perfectly fine. Thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and if you did enjoy it. If you think someone else would like something like this, share it with them. Share it on Facebook if possible. I do have these charms available for sale. They're sold out most of the time. I have to go ahead and upload or add more charms to the website, but there are links available where you can purchase these. If you're interested in my vendor, my one vendor where I purchase my charms from, I have that information for sale as well. Hello, new subscribers. Thank you so much. Hello, all subscribers. Thanks again, you guys. And if you don't subscribe, that's fine too. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye.